The Spectrum TV plan provided by your community includes up to 10 popular streaming apps that residents can activate at no additional cost. Residents can stream hit movies with HBO Max Basic with ads plan, entertaining series with the Disney Plus Hulu bundle, a variety of sports with ESPN Unlimited, and many more entertainment options. Residents need to follow these simple steps to activate their apps and start streaming in no time. New Spectrum customers must activate their TV service provided by your community and create an account on Spectrum.net. If they are an existing customer, residents need to have their .net login information available. If login information is not available, the resident will need to click on Forgot Username or Password on the login screen to reset their information and sign in. After a resident's account is created, they can navigate to the Manage TV/Streaming section of the .net website, or they can visit Spectrum.net/App Store to learn how to activate the apps included in their TV plan. The Spectrum App Store will clearly indicate which apps have been activated under Ready to Watch. Apps that have not been activated can be found under Activate Your Included Apps. Residents can follow the instructions to activate their apps and immediately start streaming their favorite content. These subscriptions will not replace any existing subscriptions residents may already have. Subscriptions must be managed separately. For guidance on how to manage subscriptions, residents can see FAQs at spectrum.com/activate. With Spectrum TV, your residents can start streaming today.